eStudies is part of RSU digital study environment, providing access to course materials, virtual communication tools, lecture recordings, assignments, and grades. It serves as a central hub for managing and participating in your academic work throughout your semester. Panopto is a platform that hosts lecture recordings, study materials, as well as events and conference recordings, all of which are accessible through eStudies. While it doesn't function like YouTube for browsing content, it offers more convenient and structured way to view your lecture recordings. Each recording may include both lecturer's video and presentation slides. Presentation slides allows you to view all slide headings and navigate directly to specific parts of the lecture. Search helps you find specific content within recording using keywords. Bookmarks let you mark key moments in the video that you want to revisit later. Notes are a helpful feature for taking notes while watching the lecture without losing focus. Discussions can be used to start discussion or share thoughts with others who are watching the same recording. But to fully cover every tool and platform, this video would have to be several hours long. But don't worry, nothing beats learning by doing. As you progress in your studies, you will be guided through necessary systems step by step. And remember, support is always available if you need any help. Welcome to RSU, your journey starts here.